Hi folks, Doug Wood here. We're going to make a video here about network marketing, or MLM, multi-level marketing, or as I like to call it, leverage systems marketing. Now, why are we going to make a video about that? Well, we'll get into that in a second. You may have had some experience with network marketing or multi-level marketing over the years. You may have had some success with it, you may have had some failure with it. That's true of any type of business. It doesn't matter whether it's traditional or network marketing. You know, there's going to be successes, there's going to be failures, and statistics say that there's more failures than there are successes. Why? It's really important to know what you're doing when you go into business, and the same is true of network marketing. If you know what you're doing, fortunes have been created with the network marketing industry. So, anybody who is considering it, it is an extremely powerful vehicle. Now, some are going to be concerned about it being scam or a pyramid scheme. Well, here's something to consider. Warren Buffett, one of the wealthiest investors on the planet, most successful investors on the planet, Donald Trump, Richard Branson, all billionaires, all have embraced network marketing in one form or another. Warren Buffett says that the network marketing companies that he owns are the best investment that he ever made. Multi-millionaire Robert Kiyosaki also recommends network marketing as the business of the 21st century. Why? Economically, the globe has changed. Having a job in the 21st century is not anymore the best way to get ahead financially, and it actually hasn't been for quite some time. And as we go through more and more economic change on the planet, you're going to have the opportunity to lose your job, or to be downsized, or to be a victim of some form of change in the corporate environment gets higher and higher and higher. You know, it's more profitable for large corporations to outsource to India now, for example, than it is to continue to give you the work that you've had in the past and that was available in the past. So those are considerations. Things are changing significantly. And the most powerful way that you can create economic certainty and economic freedom is by being in business for yourself. And there's all sorts of ways that you can go into business for yourself. What we have found over the years is that the most profitable and the most powerful and the most sensible model for doing business that's available to the general public is in multi-level marketing or network marketing, or as I call it, leverage systems marketing. Why is that? Well, first off, if you were going to open up a Walmart, it would cost you millions of dollars. You would have, you know, a building to create. You would have inventory to take care of. You would have employees to manage, and on and on and on. All of the things that go into running that type of a business. Well, what if we could give you a model that allowed you to have just as much economic capacity without any of those headaches? That's network marketing. That's the beauty of it. In a Walmart, you're going to find 100 to 200 employees in any particular, setting. They're all generating cash flow throughout the day that goes to the owner of the company and to the managers along the way up through the various levels of the company. The bottom line, though, is that those employees have no way of generating more cash flow than what they are hired for, whatever their wage is. They have a ceiling, and the chances for advancement are limited. There's no way all of the employees can get up into management positions. The exact opposite is true of network marketing. You can start your own business. You can create your own economic empire. You can have hundreds and thousands and tens of thousands of people working in their own businesses, generating their own cash flow, but also generating cash flow for you, and each individual in that organization has the exact same opportunity. It's a brilliant, beautiful model. So in the past, we've had companies like Amway and Mary Kay and and Tupperware and so on and so forth. If you're thinking about that type of a business, that is not what we're offering to you here, and that is not what we're even suggesting. Not that those aren't great companies, they are. What we're offering to you is all of that, meaning multi-level marketing and the opportunity that exists within the framework of multi-level marketing, but we're going to marry it up to the internet. Now, why the internet? The internet alone is incredible in terms of being able to generate cash flow. There's several ways you can generate cash flow online. If you marry the internet with multi-level marketing, then you have the most powerful opportunity on the planet, bar none, that is available to the average person to take advantage of, and available to billionaires to take advantage of where they think it makes sense. And so that is the power of network marketing. Now, the key is knowing what you're doing. And the best way to do that, and this is why I call it leverage systems marketing, leverage is simply this. Linear marketing and linear sales is you in a job or in your own personal business where you have to be personally present in order for the cash flow to flow. If you stop, if you get injured, if you quit, the cash flow quits. That's linear income. Leveraged income is where you don't have to be present. You've set things up in such a way that 24/7 cash flow comes in, whether you sleep, whether you play, whether you focus on the things that matter most to you and the people that matter most to you, whether you take a vacation or whether you work, you're going to be generating cash flow because you're not just reliant on yourself. You're also, you have an organization where each individual isn't just an employee working for a wage, but they have a vested interest because they're in business for themselves. They want to succeed. They want to grow their business. And each time they grow their business, your business grows, your cash flow grows. And that allows you then the freedom ultimately from finance, the freedom from money that is what we're truly looking for in order to be able to create the kind of lifestyle that we want for ourselves. See, you got to separate what you do with your time and your energy from the way that you generate cash flow. If you can do that, then you have true freedom. Because then you have the time and then you have the dollars needed in order to be able to go out and focus on the things that matter most to you, whether it's toys, tools, relationships, experiences, learning, doing, becoming, creating, philanthropy, all of those things. And so that's truly what we're shooting for, and that's what we're offering to people. Now, what we put together in concert with multi-level marketing and in concert with the internet is the opportunity to take advantage of two systems that are available in the marketplace right now that are massively valuable in terms of helping you take advantage of the internet, finding people who are interested in generating cash flow for themselves, who will look for you and want you and hunt you down to join your business with credit card in hand. Isn't that what, wouldn't you love to have that? That's what we're offering to you. And so we're going to introduce you on a couple of other videos to those two systems. And so we'll wrap up this particular video. Again, it was just an introduction to network marketing to give some thought to the power of leveraging your cash flow through this system. Is it going to happen overnight? No, but it can happen via the internet a lot faster than it happened in the past. And because we have systems in place that literally help you know what you're doing right out of the gate, here's what's been happening in the marketplace over the last 2 years. What used to take a year and what was considered a healthy annual income is literally now in multi-level marketing and affiliate marketing and the internet being generated over and over again in weeks, days, and hours with this thing we call, that we've all experienced to some degree, viral marketing. People telling people, telling people, telling people. You know, you see a clip on YouTube, you love it, you share it with all of your friends, they share it with all of their friends, and so on and so forth. That's the power of what we have to offer to you. So, look for the other two videos and take a review of those as well. You'll see the systems, and we expect you'll probably get as excited about it as we are, and we're thrilled with the opportunity to share that with you. So thank you for your time, and we'll see you on the next video.